Hello YouTube family, it's Masunga John here again, and today I'm going to open my first Christmas present for 2019. Can you imagine? I have already received a present on the 1st of December, my Christmas present. But guess what? What's my present? This present is interesting. Ta-da! It's a camera. Compact, waterproof, 4K, Wi-Fi, Ultra HD camera. It's a waterproof. Can you believe? So this is the camera I think I'm going to use for filming my next YouTube videos. I'm so excited. So today I'm gonna open it up with you. Let's unbox it and let's see what is inside. Okay, let's start unboxing it. Okay. Ta-da! Oh. The menu. Okay, it's ACTIVEGEAR compact waterproof 4K Wi-Fi Ultra HD camera. Okay, and what else? This one. Yeah, the warrant, 1 year. Okay, and oh, you can connect it with iPhone. Okay, iPhone. And what else? iPhone. Oh, and Android. So you can connect it with iPhone and Android smartphones. But this will take time. So today, maybe I'm just going to show you the components it comes with. Okay, the camera itself, wow, it's very small. It's very small. Let's see how it looks. Oh, here the camera. It looks great. Very small. ACTIVEGEAR AV 4K Wi-Fi. What else is here? Oh, there's a stick. Oh, you can use it for, yeah, it's a hand stick for filming yourself. Okay, like this. Okay, this stick. And what else? Okay, let me check. It looks like you can use it. Let's see. Okay, and what else? You can use this camera riding a bicycle. While riding a bicycle. Okay, you can see it has a lot of components here. Okay, what's this? Let's see. I think this is when you are using a helmet. Yeah, I think this is for a helmet. When you're using a helmet. And what else? According to here, camera plus this one plus this one. Okay, let me check the picture. And first of all, okay, the hand stick. Okay, like this. Oh, okay. Yeah, like this. This is when you're using a hand stick. Wow, this is fun. I love it. And you can change it to different angles. Different angles. This is fun. I like it. Oh, good. Okay, that is hand stick. What else? It says you can use a bicycle. How do we connect it? Okay, here, let me see. Bicycle. Okay. Yeah, like this. Okay, That's bicycle. So this one, there's a lot of things here, a lot of things. Okay, so let's check. That one plus, okay, this one, you join it. It has a screw. Okay, yes, like this. Yeah. Okay, like that. And what comes after that? Let's see. Yeah, it looks like this one. Okay. Then this one goes, okay, it goes here. If yeah, it goes here, and then plus a screw. Okay, this one plus a screw. A screw goes here. Yes, to join the two. Okay, which one is it? This one? This one. Okay, let's check this one. This one here. Ah, I see. Okay, it has to go the other way, not this way. It has to go this way. Yep, I got it. This way, and then yes, use the screw to join them. Yeah. Okay, got it. Yes, like this. And what else? What next is the one which, okay, what, okay, all right. Yes, got it. According to the picture, the next one is this one. So this one is the one which goes to your bicycle steering. Yeah, like this. You open it, and your bicycle steering goes in here. Okay, let me show you. It goes in here, and your bicycle, yeah, steering goes in here. Yeah, you have to loose all the way, and your bicycle steering goes here. Okay, then tighten it like this. You tighten it this way, and then the next step is to connect this one, the camera, and the steering bicycle like this. Here, this one goes here. Okay, just a moment. Yes, like okay, this one goes there, and then you tighten it. Yes, and then your bicycle steering is here, and then you can ride your bicycle. Yes, this way. Interesting. Okay, how about helmet? The helmet one. Okay, let's lose this one first. Let's lose this one, the one for bicycle. If you're riding a bicycle, let's lose it. Then the one helmet. Okay, this one. Okay, the two. Yeah, like this. You can see this one is for helmet. There is a, you have to bind the two components together, this one and this one here. You have to pull it out, and there's one more. Yeah, this one. Okay, this one. You bind them together like this. So this side goes to the helmet here, helmet, and this one goes with this one. This one here, as you can see, so it goes in like, yes, that way. Okay, goes that way. Then here, this one is the one you are going to join the camera with, like this. The camera with like this, and then use the screw to join. Okay, like the way I joined the other one. Yep. Done. Okay. See? Then this is how you're gonna your helmet, join your helmet with the camera itself. Okay, your helmet and the camera. This is how it will look like. Your helmet, yes, it goes straight. Yes, this way. Okay, so my video today was just how to join the components together, because it has a lot of things. It depends on how are you going to use it. Are you gonna ride a bicycle and take your video, or are you gonna use a helmet and take the video, or are you going to use your hand stick to take a video? That's all. So check out for my next video. I'm going to show you how to use it, because it's a bit complicated. It's a digital and very small. So next time, my next video, I will show you how to use the camera. It's me, Masunga John. Please subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next video. Ciao.